Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sheldon Sprung, and today I got my boy Hunter and I got my boy Peace here with me, shooting the B-roll in the back. But in today's video, we are at Tsukiji Fish Market, right? So if you're interested in sushi, seafood, or cooking, you're gonna love this video. So let's check it out. Alright, so Hunter-kun, what do you know about Tsukiji Fish Market?
It was one of the biggest. The inner market, like the wholesale. It could still
be one of the biggest.
I mean, it's definitely one of the most famous. Yeah. So the inner market was mostly for like wholesale items, like the huge tunas, you know, that you see in all those pictures.
Yep. But, like auctions and stuff,
right?
Yeah,
that market closed down. Not closed, but moved to a different location. So it used to be here. But now it's just the outdoor market, which is like, you can kind of see, turn the camera.
Yes,
it's like street food and all that. But the thing is, it's mad early in the morning, and all the fish here is delivered from the other market.
So it's like super fresh.
So this is all like this morning they caught it type stuff.
Yeah. So it's basically like a street food for seafood.
Yeah, it's like heaven if you like seafood.
Yes, sir. Sure. Okay, so the next spot we're at is Saito Suisan. Saito Suisan. Okay, so I just got a namakaki.
And they just give it to you like that?
Yeah, just right on the spot. So they put sujoyu, so it's like vinegar and shoyu. Vinegar and soy sauce. And just one bite? Like one bite?
Yeah, just one bite.
One bite. I'm gonna slurp it up. Dude, that's so cold. It's like ice cold. But the vinegar soy sauce is so delicious and it's super soft, and you can tell super good taste. It's fresh. So I asked them when they caught the seafood, like right behind me, and like they were explaining to me like none of the food is
like
fresh.
We're in Tokyo.
Yeah.
So
oh yeah, like nothing we caught this morning is here anymore because like everything got sold out. Like people already bought them. But like still, the other stuff was caught last night. That's still pretty fresh. And he was telling me like it wasn't fresh. I'm like, guy. Tsukiji Market is a whole block, right? And like you go behind restaurants and there's more restaurants. So it's like restaurants, back alleyways, more restaurants. Like everyone just like is super friendly here, just starts talking to you. Obviously trying to like, you know,
get you to eat.
Yeah, get you to eat. But like everything just looks so good. It makes me want to stop at every store.
Yeah, that's
it's like we really got to be picky and like make sure we go to the right ones, because otherwise we're just gonna be stopping at every store. There's just alleyways everywhere.
Because
if more stores.
And if you walk behind, you can see like the people preparing the fish in the back and stuff like that.
And we just saw somebody cutting up some tuna back there too.
Yeah.
But this one's called Kushi tama. Kushi is a name they give whenever you put food on a stick. And then tama is tamago for egg. So stick egg. Look how thick and fresh that is. It's super warm. Here we go.
Itadakimasu.
Definitely the best omelet I've ever had. It's warm, super soft. It's juicy. Have you ever had juicy egg, bro? But it's like, it's so good and it's sweet. Yeah, it's sweet and juicy and warm and fresh. Like it's.
Alright, he's talking about it too, but
like it's so good.
Kanpai. Oh,
it's
what's
good.
on it?
I don't think anything is on it.
No way.
There's two types, right? They want the salt or sugar.
Oh, really? That's really good.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Seriously, it's like
good? Okay, so the next spot is what Peace wanted to go to. So what is this place?
It's called Onigiriya.
Onigiriya.
So it's basically a rice bowl store. And I love me some onigiri.
Yeah.
So let's try it out.
Let's check it out. Alright, so we got 3 onigiris, right? So this one doesn't have a name on it, but this one's a hotate. This is the one Hunter got. This one's bakudan. Bakudan translates to bomb. But I think this one has like a hard-boiled egg inside. Third one is sake harasu.
Salmon belly.
Salmon belly.
Mine's scallop.
Yours is scallop. Yeah. Each one was, I would say like 223 yen was like the price I kept seeing. So it's like a little over $2, maybe $2.25. And they're fresh, they're like super warm, and they're all handmade. You can tell they're handmade.
It looks like my mom made
Nostalgic.
it. It looks like my mom made it, you know? That's crazy.
Yours is cold though. Yours is the only one that's cold.
It's big though.
Yeah.
Like it's actually kind of like, the scallops taste really good. There's a bunch of different stuff in it too. I don't know, we throw a lot of different stuff in onigiri, but the scallops itself are, I mean, it's Tsukiji, so y'all are gonna get tired of us saying it. But it's very good.
Yeah.
Salmon belly. Itadakimasu. like very fatty salmon.
Really?
It's very fatty.
Is the
And
rice good?
rice is good, nice and soft and warm.
Yeah.
The rice itself is sweet too.
Okay, so I'm gonna eat my bakudan onigiri. So he told me this is like his most popular one. So that's why I got it. I don't know what it is yet. I think he said it was like
tempura.
yeah. Oh, it's tempura? Well, I gotta see what it looks like first.
Whoa!
What?
I was not expecting that.
Bro,
No
I was
warning.
not
Oh.
expecting that.
Bakudan, get
So
it?
Yeah,
it,
Bakudan. So
Bakudan,
Bakudan is explosion. Like,
Man, he did not warn us at all.
so it's not a hard boiled egg. Like that's good though. Like
that was funny. You were not expecting that.
Bro, play that back in slow motion.
Yeah, I know.
though.
Peace.
Yeah.
On the edit, run it back.
Whoa!
alright, so what's this next place that we pulled up to?
So it's a tuna, like only tuna shop.
Only tuna shop.
Only tuna shop.
Yeah. Should we just see what they have here?
Yeah.
これ1個お願いしますよ。はい。
Okay, so at this maguro store, we just got some whole maguro, so some real tuna, and they gave us a service. They actually put 2 extra pieces on top, so they're looking out. They give us a little tube of soy sauce, so we put it in here. Okay, I'm allergic to tuna. I already had enough tuna today, so I'm gonna let them eat it and enjoy it. So you guys gotta let me know
Pass it to me,
how
bro.
it tastes. Yep.
Alright, itadakimasu.
Yo.
So look at the amount of tuna. they
Yeah,
put
bro.
in.
I can't eat that in one bite. I don't know how you plan on.
Yeah, I think I can't eat this in one bite.
seriously, bro, there's no way. Bro, there's no way.
Holy smoke. Itadakimasu.
Yo.
No way.
This is good.
It's good?
Really good. It's like the fatty part of tuna. It's like very fatty, juicy, and soft. They have takua in it, the pickles. Gives this like, you know, the shaki accent going on, bro.
Let's break it down since we still have mine. So we have the fattiest tuna, shredded tuna here, and then underneath we have like medium.
Yeah,
Medium fatty tuna, like just regular tuna.
I'm mad. Like I'm allergic to tuna because this looks so good. Like whenever I eat it, my stomach just gets a little weird and my throat, you know, gets itchy. So like, I try not to eat it too much, but one bite, bro.
Damn, big boy. Yeah, I know.
Oh, I thought you got it.
It's crazy because you taste the otoro first, and then you taste the chutoro underneath, and then you can taste the pickles, like the pickled underneath. It's like 3 different slices of tuna all in one, not a nigiri, like a roll. So, man, are you gonna try it? Go ahead, man.
Yeah,
It's really good.
That made me want to try it. I'm just gonna, yeah. I'm so glad I tried that. Dude, that is so, it's like layers. Like
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
One flavor
Yeah,
hits
yeah,
you,
yeah.
then the next one hits
Like
you.
every bite is a different taste. Yeah.
Okay, so I just got a tuna-shaped taiyaki. Yo, freshly made right in front of me. Is it upside down? Look at that. Okay, so this is like, how to explain, it's like a snack in Japan, right? And inside they have sweet beans mixed with yuzu, which is like a Japanese citrus, like lemon, like close like a grapefruit. I'm about to open it up.
No. Okay, go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, I'm about to take a bite of this. This is so good. The yuzu, I've never tasted uncle the yuzu before. It is so good. Oh, this is like a perfect snack to end off today's video. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So that was Tsukiji Fish Market. We got here at like 8 a.m. in the morning, and that's like
We were there
noon.
for a long time.
So if you guys come here, you can easily spend a few hours here just looking around at all the seafood. Super delicious stuff. How did you feel about Tsukiji Fish Market?
I love it. It was awesome.
Yeah.
People, food, everything was awesome.
Everything was awesome. What about you, Hunt?
that was really cool. I think we have an opportunity, like with our platform, to support smaller businesses
Facts.
in our community.
Yep.
And this is kind of, this is our community. So in your community, make sure you guys are supporting small businesses, current situation, stuff like that. Got to make sure to support companies that, or stores that depend on people like us for their livelihood,
Yep, exactly. So make sure you support everybody. So if you liked our video, please hit that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you like our content. And we see you guys in the next video.
Shut up.
Yep.
Bro, break out the thumbnail.
Oh my gosh.
All right, here we go.